What's up, Misha? What? What do you want, baby? No, no shouting. Misha, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Misha. What do you want? Misha. What do you want, baby? What does my baby want? Tell mama. What? What? No, no shouting. No, no shouting. No. No shouting. Just tell mummy what you want. No shouting. No, no shouting. Nah. What do you want? What do you want, baby? Look how pretty you are with your little collar on. Look at my baby. Let me fix that. Let me fix that. She was howling. I got her on. I got her on camera right now. Howling. What do you want, baby? Tell mommy what you want. Look how pretty you are with your... Where are you going? Hello? Misha? Misha? What does Misha want? Tell mama. What do you want? Up? You want to go up on the chair? What do you want, baby? Tell mommy. What do you want? What? What does Misha want? What do you want? Okay, sit. Sit down for mommy. Sit. Sit. Here comes Tara. You want Tara? Are you crying because Tara's outside? Hey, look. Tara, come see Misha. Where's Tara? Misha. Misha, look at mommy. Where did Tara go? Eh? Where's your little Tara go? You want Tara? I know. Where did she go? Tara! Come see Misha. Where's Tara? Misha, I love you. I love you. Mommy loves Misha. Here we go again. Say, love you, mommy. I love you. Oh, look at my pretty girl. I love you. Look at my pretty girl dressed up in a little Santa collar. Aren't you cute? I love you, Misha. Mommy loves Misha. I loves you. Can you talk for the camera, please? Please, Misha. Say, I love you, mommy. Mommy. I love you. I love you. Oh. Tara's coming. Just wait. She's coming. Tara's coming. She'll be in a minute. I know. I know you want Tara, huh? Tara's coming. She's coming. Where's your Tara go? Where did your Tara go? Hmm? Where'd your Tara go? Oh, that's nice. Let's get that right on camera. Just beautiful. Let me know when you're done there, girl. There we go. Where did your little Tara go? Tara! Tara, come see Misha. Can mommy fix your collar? Can I fix that? My girl looks all pretty. Look at you. Oh, look at my pretty girl. I love you. I love my girlie all pretty. Misha. Misha, can you talk for the camera, please? No. Not having it. Not today. Misha, talk. Talk to Mama. Say row, row, row. Come on, talk. Row, row, row. Mommy loves Misha. Okay, so you won't talk for the camera, you won't shut up when the camera's not on. How the... What is this? You're trying to make everyone think your mummy's nuts because you really, really, really know how to talk and you won't do it for the camera, right? I love you. I love you. You want to go out and get Tara? Should we go outside and get Tara?